all this shine is just highlight. It's a lie. My skin is the desert. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I actually was already filming a video when I got my Boxy Charm Premium in the mail. So this is not a try-on portion for the Boxy Charm Premium, it's just an unboxing. Now what I'm gonna do is take some pictures of these because they're scrumptious, and then I'm gonna come in and do another video for you guys and go ahead and try everything on. But let me go ahead and show you what I got in this month's Boxy Premium. Now, Boxy Premium is an additional $35 on top of your original Boxy Charm price. I believe it comes with $200 worth of product, but I'm not sure about this month, seeing as there is a collab with Boxy Charm and Fenty Beauty. So I'm really excited to show you guys. Okay, I have some Fenty products. I have her lip stunners. I think I have 4 or 5 of them, but that's it. I haven't tried anything else from her, so I'm super excited. So the first thing is the Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter in Trophy Wife. Now this is so beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys the pictures of these. I'm going to try and do some product photography. Ignore my nails. Look how beautiful. Oh, look how beautiful it is in the sun ray. It's so pretty. Wait, is there another sun ray over here? Look at that. It's so beautiful. I'm not going to swatch it yet because I want to get some really pretty photos with this, but I will do another video showing you guys all of this. And that is $36. The next is Match Stix Shimmer Skinstick, and this is $25. You can use it as a highlight, blush, and it is a cream to powder highlighter stick. So I got the shade Unicorn, which is this crazy purple. I mean, honestly, I will never wear this. I'm sorry. I am most likely going to be putting this in a giveaway, so I won't be wearing the purple, but if any of you guys are a fan of purple highlighters, I'll have a giveaway coming up and you guys can hopefully enter that and win it. The next is the Moroccan Spice Eyeshadow Palette. This has 16 richly pigmented shades, serving up a dash matte, satin, pearl, metallic, and shimmer finishes, and it is $29. This is so beautiful. You guys, I cannot wait to do a photo shoot with this. Oh, it has a little piece of plastic. Look how gorgeous this is. I have never tried Fenty eyeshadows, so I am super excited to try these because I've heard a lot of good things about their formula. Now, you can't really see them because the light really won't, it's all the way over here and you can't. Okay, so this one is kind of like the Natasha Denona, that green gold that she has in her gold palette. That's what that one looks like. It's beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys a look with this palette. And the outside's beautiful as well. It has some clouds. I'm not sure how Moroccan themed those are, but it's really, really pretty. Next is the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer, and this is the shade Diamond Milk. It is a dewy highlight for your lips. Now, I will try some of this on. I'm just going to pat it on with my finger, but I do want to get some photography with this, so I don't want to get red on the applicator. Oh my god. It smells so good. That is quite a bit of sparkle. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this smells delicious. It's like a vanilla cupcake. This smells really good. And this is $19. The next is the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. All moods, all skin tones, all day. A pocket-perfect lipstick with a long-wearing, petal-soft matte finish available in a rainbow of weightless, color-intense shades, each designed to flatter all skin tones. and this is $18. And the color I got is, oh, and their packaging is just so cute. There's some really cute little geometric shapes. This one, like, they're just all very beautiful. And this is the color PMS. Oh my gosh. This is pure chocolate. Look at that. Y'all, I have been trying to find, what was that? I don't know what that is. I have been trying to find a pure, rich chocolate lipstick like this forever. Oh my gosh, it has a perfect little imprint of FB in there. I don't wanna swatch it right now. I'm gonna wait till I take some pictures. I will try all of these on, I promise, for you guys. This is absolutely gorgeous. Now, I have tried her lip stunners, but I have not tried like actual little bullet lipsticks. So I am super excited for this. This box is amazing. And the last thing is, oh, did I say that was $18? And the last thing is Invisimatte blotting paper. Ultra portable blotting paper that lets you touch up in stealth mode with a super chic refillable mirrored compact that looks like a lipstick case. Lift away shine while leaving makeup perfectly untouched. And this is $16. This is so cute for your purse. Look at that. It has a little mirror and you just take these little blotting papers and you pop them right in. Now, I am really, really dry, like insanely dry. I think if I were to use one of these, like, I don't think anything would come off on the paper except the oil on my actual fingers. All this shine is just highlight. It's a lie. My skin is the desert. But this is so cute, especially with the little mirror. It's just super handy for touching stuff up. And you know what? I do get oilier in the summer. And so I think this is something that I'm going to be using a lot. And I hope the little refills aren't too expensive. But, I mean, this is just perfect for your purse. I super duper love this. And you know what? Her packaging is so chic and clean and, like, very aesthetically pleasing. Like, this is a beautiful, soft touch, kind of nude. This is the same nude color, the little blotting paper. This is this beautiful, like, I would say a rose gold. It's got a rosy hue to it. And this has the same kind of hue from the lipstick. And now they're covered in fingerprints. This, if you guys look, it has this soft, iridescent purple to it. You can't see that, but it's beautiful. Like, the text for the name of the brand is very chic and minimal. I just love their packaging. I am so excited for this box because literally all I had, literally all I had was just the lip stunners. And they are the most beautiful lipsticks. I want them all, but I'm not rich. And this box, I am so excited and happy I got this box. I can't wait to show you guys a look I did with all of them. But for now, that is the box. Let's go ahead and do the total because I'm not going to do math. And if any of my facts were wrong in the beginning about the price of all the contents in each box for all the premiums, I will leave all the correct details in the description below. Or you guys can shout it out to me as well and I'll pin the comment. But that is all I have for the March Boxy X Fenty box. And keep an eye out for me trying everything on. But that's all I have for this video. Let me know what you guys got in your box this month, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Oh my gosh. All this shine is just highlight. It's a lie. My skin is the desert. You can't see that. Ignore my nails. Literally all I had, literally all I had was just, y'all, I have been trying to find, what was that? I don't know what that is. And now they're covered in fingerprints. I want them all, but I'm not rich.